Are you seeking for a reliable, long-lasting, and detailed rug cleaning in Houston? Our professional team at Houston Carpet Cleaning can help. Our rug cleaning specialists can service any type of rug no matter how large, how old, or how much it's worth. Our rug cleaning services include Oriental rugs cleaning, Persian rugs cleaning, wool rugs cleaning, area rugs cleaning, deep cleaning them with top-of-the-line solutions, removing stains from spills and footsteps, eliminating smells caused by pets, dust, and bacteria, repairing tears and damaged areas, getting rid of imprints. Our team of Houston-based cleaners are always able to provide free carpet cleaning estimates to anyone in Houston. So what are you looking for? Call 281-492-3499. Please visit our website, Houston Carpet Cleaning.